Unit 4, Iteration, Topic 4.2, For Loops. A for loop is typically used when you know how many times the loop will execute. There are three parts in a for loop header: the initialization, the Boolean expression, and the increment. The increment statement can also be a decrement statement. In a for loop, the initialization statement is only executed once before the first Boolean expression evaluation. The variable being initialized is referred to as a loop control variable. In each iteration of a for loop, the increment statement is executed after the entire loop body is executed and before the Boolean expression is evaluated again. What will the output of this program be? Construct a trace table to verify your answer. A for loop can be rewritten into an equivalent while loop and vice versa. Notice the initialization of a loop control variable. Here are the Boolean expressions and the increment. Here's the body of the loop that contains the code statements you want to execute. When should you use a while loop or a for loop? If the number of iteration is unknown, it is recommended to use a while loop. If the update to the loop control variable is more complex than an increment or decrement, then again, a while loop might be more appropriate. If the number of iteration is fixed, it is recommended to use a for loop. Off by one errors occur when the iteration statement loops one time too many or one time too few. That is why we need to pay careful attention when using less than or less than and equal to operators or greater than versus greater than and equal to operators. Try this exercise out. Which of these for loop code segments will not print out 10 asterisks? Here's another exercise. Which of the following best describes the output of these two code segments? In both of these cases, you are counting odd numbers up till 20. Complete the for loop header to produce the following output: 0, 3, 6, 9, so on and so forth till 30. Let's try solving this exercise, similar to the previous one we did. If you have $200 in a bank account that earns 10% interest per year, how much would you have after saving that money for 50 years? Write a code segment using a for loop to calculate and display the total amount you would have after 50 years. One way you could solve this problem would be to initialize a variable that stores the current total amount you have in the bank. You know the fixed number of iterations. You want to start at year 1, stop at year 50, and increment every year. During that time, your total will add 10% to its current value. After 50 years, your $200 will become $23,478 with some change.